Add a wireless switch to your XL LifeSmart installation. Please note, wiring to be done by a licensed electrician only. It's time now to open your Legrand Home Plus control app. Press the settings icon. Add product. Press Legrand. Select wireless switch. If you have a wall gateway, press and hold both buttons of the wireless master switch until it flashes green, then release. If you have a DIN rail gateway, press and hold the front button until the green light appears. If it hasn't already been done, remove the plastic tab. Let's activate the wireless switch by pressing on one of its buttons. The green light will flash for a few seconds before turning solid and then switching off. Wait for your product to be loaded. From the list that appears on the screen, select the wide products that you wish to control. Once this is done, click Finish. For more information, visit our website or discover more videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.